Semiconductor companies are developing super chip to meet the demands of the new age of AI applications. A super chip is an integrated circuit of massively parallel processing cores, memory, and other components into a single module. It makes them much more potent than traditional XPUs, and they can handle the most demanding AI calculations. One of the essential features of a super chip is the ability to scale. The super chip can get mounted by adding more processing cores, memory, and other components. It allows them to keep up with the ever-increasing demands of these applications. On top, the increased need for communication speed is essential because AI applications demand the fastest data transfer, and super chips are designed precisely to do so. Some leading semiconductor companies working on the super chip include NVIDIA, Intel, and AMD. For example, NVIDIA's Grace Hopper has been designed from the ground up for giant-scale AI and high-performance computing. So is the Intel's Xeon Sapphire Rapids workstation. Recently, AMD has also launched a super chip called MI300X. In conclusion, the super chip is the future of AI and HPC. They are more powerful, efficient, scalable, and interconnected than traditional chips, which makes them ideal for the most demanding workloads.